Hello, Wealth Warriors. As 2025 begins, the global economy presents unprecedented opportunities for those ready to act. Rapid technological advancements, the rise of new financial instruments, and a shifting job market are redefining how we achieve financial independence. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to amplify your existing wealth, here are 9 proven strategies to help you thrive in 2025 and beyond. If this sounds like the guide you've been searching for, be sure to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. Now let's get to business, Wealth Warriors. First, mastering digital skills has become non-negotiable in today's economy. The digital revolution has created an insatiable demand for skills like coding, web development, digital marketing, and data analysis. Employers across the globe are seeking these skills, and the opportunities are endless. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning provide affordable and accessible courses to get you started. For example, becoming proficient in social media management can open doors to freelance projects or full-time roles. Even advanced fields such as artificial intelligence and machine learning are now more accessible than ever, offering lucrative opportunities to those with expertise. If you're not tech-savvy, don't worry. Start small, dedicate a few hours each week to learning, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your efforts translate into better job prospects and new income streams. Second, capitalizing on blockchain and cryptocurrency is a game changer. Blockchain technology has moved beyond being a niche interest. It is now reshaping the very foundation of finance and commerce. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and newer players such as Pi Network are no longer fringe investments but integral to the future of money. In 2025, understanding how blockchain works and leveraging its potential could be your ticket to financial freedom. Decentralized finance or DeFi platforms, for instance, allow individuals to earn passive income through staking, yield farming, or liquidity provision. The NFT market continues to expand, covering areas from digital art to virtual real estate. However, it is crucial to approach these opportunities cautiously. Conduct thorough research and avoid speculative ventures. Beginners can start with platforms like Coinbase or Binance, which offer user-friendly entry points into this exciting space. Next, starting an online business remains one of the most accessible and impactful ways to generate significant income. The e-commerce world is ripe with possibilities. Whether it's selling handmade crafts, drop-shipping popular products, or offering online courses. Platforms like Amazon, Etsy, and Shopify make setting up an online store a breeze. Social media platforms such as Instagram and TikTok can also be leveraged for marketing and brand building. Identify a niche that aligns with your passion or addresses a gap in the market, and build your brand around it. Don't underestimate the power of passive income models, such as affiliate marketing or creating digital products like ebooks or templates. These models allow you to earn money even while you sleep. Investing in personal development is another cornerstone of wealth building in 2025. Your most valuable asset is yourself, and investing in personal growth can yield unparalleled returns. This might mean enrolling in advanced education, attending industry workshops, or developing better habits like reading daily or practicing mindfulness. Books by thought leaders such as Tony Robbins or podcasts focusing on personal finance can provide actionable insights. Remember, success isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter. Continuous learning ensures you remain relevant and adaptable in a fast-changing world. Diversifying your income streams is no longer optional, it is a necessity in today's unpredictable economy. Relying on a single source of income can be risky. By diversifying through investments, side hustles, and multiple revenue streams, you can achieve both stability and growth. Consider investing in stocks, mutual funds, or ETFs to grow your wealth over time. Real estate, both traditional and digital, such as virtual properties in the metaverse, remains a solid choice. Peer-to-peer lending and crowdfunding platforms offer innovative ways to grow your portfolio. Multiple financial lifelines can provide peace of mind and long-term prosperity. Building strategic relationships is another critical aspect of wealth building. Your network often determines your net worth. Building strong professional and personal relationships can open doors to new opportunities, collaborations, and partnerships. Attend networking events, participate in community forums, and leverage platforms like LinkedIn to connect with industry leaders. Being part of a supportive community fosters accountability and encouragement. For entrepreneurs, mentorship from experienced professionals can be a game changer. Surround yourself with people who challenge and inspire you to elevate your mindset and trajectory. Staying ahead of global trends is vital for wealth creation in 2025. Emerging trends such as green technology, health tech, and the metaverse are shaping the future. Green technology, including sustainable energy solutions and eco-friendly businesses, is gaining traction. Health tech innovations like digital health services, wearable technology, and mental wellness apps are booming. The metaverse is transforming how we work, entertain, and conduct commerce. By positioning yourself within these growing markets, you can capitalize on their long-term potential and secure a competitive edge. Taking calculated risks is often a prerequisite for building wealth. This doesn't mean engaging in reckless gambling, but rather stepping out of your comfort zone with informed decisions. Entrepreneurs should test new ideas and iterate quickly. In the investment world, taking calculated risks can lead to significant rewards. For instance, investing in startups, entering emerging markets, or exploring innovative industries such as space tech or biotech could yield substantial returns. Research and preparation are essential to minimize risks and maximize opportunities. Finally, embracing discipline and long-term planning is crucial for sustained wealth creation. True wealth is built over time. Establish clear financial goals, whether it's saving for a home, retiring early, or creating a legacy for your family. Track your expenses, avoid unnecessary debt, and prioritize saving and investing. Utilize tools like budgeting apps or consult financial advisors to stay on track. Remember, wealth isn't just about making money, it's about managing it wisely. Patience and persistence are vital as you navigate the ups and downs of your financial journey. In 2025, the definition of wealth extends beyond financial success. It's about creating meaningful experiences and contributing positively to the world. By adopting these 9 strategies, you're not just working towards financial prosperity, you're building a life of purpose and fulfillment. The journey to wealth may not be easy, but with the right mindset and actions, it is achievable. Wealth warriors, which of these strategies will you start with? Comment below and let me know what's next on your wealth building journey. If there's a topic you'd like me to cover, suggest it in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can all achieve greatness together. Until next time, let's unlock wealth in 2025.